Now you got a black car. You should be going.
Yeah, I painted it.
You painted it?
Yeah, I was kidding.
Ooh, son. Got a 1990 Ford Mustang 5.0 with it's a convertible. A 7-Up. Sprite. It is a Sprite edition. 7-Up edition. 7-Up edition. I just grabbed it. Yeah. Need a little bit of work, but I can't complain. I got it for a good price. Yeah, so I wish it was a stick shift, but it's automatic. Not bad. Need a little cleaning. And yeah.
See here, like they're not dirty. See here? See the green?
Yeah. Yeah, it's like an emerald green. I'm recording it for YouTube.
Before and after thing?
Yeah, document it. I'm gonna put the white top back on it.
The Ford in the house.